Good afternoon. We have a 20 Ford EcoBoost 3.5 liter with the normal Ford problems. The man wanted us to change all the fuel injectors, but he had a check engine light. I don't remember the codes. My brother scanned that. But typical problem failure on a Ford is this exhaust camshaft phaser timing gear. You call it what you want. It had tore apart, and there's the intake phaser, but we're going to wind up replacing, giving them a quote for all four phasers and a possible timing job. Thank you.